social media is not saturated. Your inability to be original and authentic is what's making you feel like you have to do something quote unquote unique to stand out from the market. You are not alone. Most people who are in the same situation as you are niche down themselves thinking it will help, while in reality it's only hurting their brand and business. In this video, I will share 5 timeless principles that is going to work even after 5 years. These are uncommon ideas, so I want you to watch the video till the end. Alright, let's dive in. Number 1, utilize your unfair advantage. I talked about this in one of my short form videos. Your unfair advantage is anything that feels like play for you but work for others. You want to spend an extra 30 minutes or 1 hour using your unfair advantage for building your personal brand. For me, this is my voice. I won't call myself as a voice artist, but I'm passionate about speaking. I have won multiple awards for different extreme competitions while in high school. I can spend an enormous amount of time perfecting my voice, while others could feel burnout and quit too quickly. If you love comedy, make your content more humorous. If you love filmmaking, shoot your videos in different locations. Test out different things and see what's working and double down on them. Number 2, share your face, voice, message all at once. How do you make your content as real as close to someone taking your advice in a networking event or a coffee shop? By putting out your face, voice, message all at once. Dan Ko, one of my favorite creators, used to make these animated reels on Instagram. I shared in one of my videos that if he could start making face videos with these short form videos, it will make a lot of sense because all these people haven't seen him before. Ironically, he did started after that video. Sure, he didn't watch my video, but it proves the importance of showing your face. If I didn't had my face and my voice here, you probably won't watch me, or you might lose your focus by the beginning of the video. Number 3, relatable elements. These are events happened in your life that's relatable for a small population of your audience or makes you a real person. I use these elements a lot in my content. Like, I was raised in Saudi Arabia, I dropped out of high school at the age of 16, I started my business at the age of 12. All these events are relatable for a small population of my audience. Even if it's not relatable for a lot of people, it gives a lot of context on my background and my values, which makes me a real person. And people only trust real people. Number 4, clarity of thought over polarizing opinions. I don't believe in polarizing opinions. I believe in clarity of thought. Instead of polarizing, the other options won't work when it comes to the problem you are solving. Give the clarity of thought behind the significance of your solution. People are bored hearing cold emails won't work, personal branding is a future, or personal branding takes a lot of time, so cold email is great. You're trying too hard to make your solution the only solution to all of their problems. While in reality, it's not the case. Instead of doing that, show the significance, the value of your offer through first principle breakdown. I always picturize the importance of traffic by saying more people knowing about you and your offer is always going to help you grow your business. That's not a polarizing, but it's a quite simple, agreeable first principle approach. I could have shared the same idea by saying it's not about who know your offer, it's about how much people know because of the network effect. It's too much work and it creates so much chaos for the audience. I don't want to complicate the whole thing for showing my solution as the only solution to their problems. Now, you might have the question, how this is helping me stand out? In the world of polarizing opinions, someone with a first principle breakdown quickly stands out. Your clarity of thought shows up too quickly when people consume your content. People are smart enough to understand how much of what you're saying is original and true. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. Hopefully, I will see you tomorrow.